Hello friends, Dennis here from Reviews by Dennis. Today I just got my package from Lebice from Amazon, and I'm going to open it up, do an unboxing with you, and let you know what my experience with this product is. In case you're unsure what Lebice is, it's a company that manufactures ice pop makers. This should be molds to be able to make your own ice pop. Oh, looks like this went through a little bit of ruggedness through the U.S. Postal Service, but that's alright. The inside should be hopefully in good quality. And when we open up here, it comes with a little bonus silicone funnel. That's going to be handy for filling it up. We got our bag that we're going to be able to use to store everything in when it's all done and used, with the company logo on it. And it is a drawstring bag, which is really nice, and it is pretty good size, as you see. And you're going to get 6 of these. They're individually wrapped, obviously. And this is the actual bottom of each. And this is the top, which each of them come with a drip handle, so that way the juices get caught in here, so that way it prevents you know, the juices from running down your kids' arms. You're going to get 6 of these. And like I said, they're each individually wrapped, and they all come with different fun colors. You got a couple pink, green, looks like a couple yellows. We got green there. It comes with a sturdy tray to put them in, so that when you fill them up in your freezer, fill them up and put them into your freezer, and they're going to sit on there like this, and they kind of sit right in there snug, so that way they don't move around. Really sturdy on there. As you can see, I can hold it there and it don't move around. And it comes also with a cleaning brush, which is really nice to be able to get down and deep inside there. And it also comes with 6 silicone tops. And let me just peel these open with you. This way, if you're not using the drip tops, you can use. Hold on, give me a second to open this. Wow, really hard time opening this. You can use these instead of the drip tops. They're silicone tops that go on top that come in conjunction with approximately 50 wooden popsicle sticks, which also have their name on there. And after you fill them up, you can stick them down through the little hole in the top, and you can put them in there like that. So that way you have your own in there. So I'm going to do a real quick, I'm going to take this out to the kitchen, do a real quick fill up of these, put them in the freezer, and try to give you an end result, show you what they look like. Overall, after unboxing here, looking at the presentation of them, I'm real happy with them. Also with this, you're going to get some instructions. There should be some information in here about some e-recipes. Yep, ice pop recipes on how to do make some different recipes. Like in here it says blueberry breakfast pops, creamy avocado fudgesicles, and it's got all kinds of different instructions in here on how to make some different stuff. And plus it comes with some neat fun tattoos. So let's go to the kitchen. So we'll transfer it out there, and hopefully we'll see how we can make some really fun pops in our kitchen. So as you can see from that short little video, it's not too hard to fill these up. That little funnel makes it really simple and easy to be able to fill up each individual container with whatever liquid you're going to use. I have the actual ice pops frozen solid here. They're ready to give out to my kids. My kids are really excited because I had told them that I was going to make them a special type of ice pop. We had talked about putting different types of ice pops together, and we had come to the conclusion that we were going to have a soda pop gummy bear ice pop. And what we did was we mixed we got a half and half mixture here, where we have half a pineapple flavored soda and half a orange flavored soda, and we put gummy bears approximately in the middle. And to do that, we had to freeze it about halfway, and then once it was like a little slushy or a little more, a little more solid, then we put in some gummy bears, 3 or 4 in each, and then topped it off, and then froze the solid the rest of the way. So this is what they look like up close, and as you can see from varying levels, gummy bears in different spots. And my kids are really excited to try these. I will recommend, as some of the tops popped up a little bit, you wanted to leave a little bit of a clearance space there for expansion. But the tray did keep them nice and stable in there, as you see. If you do fill them up too much, they will flow over. I had a couple I wiped off before going on camera here, just to kind of clean up the presentation. But it works really well, and I'll just show you on camera what they look like. This is the one with the silicone top. With most ice pops, you want to warm up the outside a little bit. It just breaks that suction seal, and then it should slip right out. As you see, that slips right out, and you see the gummy bears inside there. Really nice. So that's a pineapple flavored one, and the one with the drip handles, same thing. I'll just kind of hold my hand on it a little bit to warm it up, and then give it a little wiggle, and it comes right out. And as you see, it's got that little drip reservoir in the bottom there to catch it as it melts, if you want that kind of base. I chose the orange because my wife's favorite flavor is orange. But I know my kids like it too, because they always seem to disappear in the house when we have orange flavored ice pops. But you're not limited to, obviously, soda pop. Soda pop's not necessarily the most healthy alternative, but you can choose whatever you want. You can use fruit, natural flavors, juice pops, whatever you want. I remember as a kid, the only thing we had was iced tea and toothpicks. We'd put it in ice cube tray with aluminum foil or Reynolds wrap and toothpicks, and that was the best thing ever as a kid. So I would have loved to have these as a kid, and I'm glad I can pass this on to my kids now. That being said, it's really nice that it comes with the drawstring bag here to store all the parts in it. Everything will fit back in there nice and neat. That way it's all ready to go for the next time you want to use it, and everything will be easily found. So that way you don't have to worry about any of your pieces missing. Make sure you keep everything in there. Don't forget to put in your your little cleaner after you wash them, so that way that's even in there. It doesn't get lost next to your kitchen cleaning utensils. And once you have everything in there, just pull the drawstring tight, put it away for your next time to use, and you're set to go. Overall, I think this is a really great product. If you're interested in checking out this product for yourself, check out the link in the description below, and I thank you for stopping by today here at Reviews by Dennis. Take care, folks. Bye-bye.